Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Ms. Fira Nafisa binti Musyiri. So, for today, I will talk about ethical and professional issue. So, let's go. For the first, I will talk about topic 1, computer crime and security extraction. The source from the picture, I choose to give meaning to hacking. Hacking is an unauthorized access to a digital device or network, often involve the misuse of device to collect information, steal or interfere with data activities. It involves identifying and exploiting weaknesses in a computer system or network to gain access without permission. Hacking can also involve modifying a system to achieve unintended goals, such as stealing personal or secret data. For the next is topic 2, intellectual property. My Apple is responsible for the development and management of intellectual property system in Malaysia. How to register my Apple? So, for the first step, go to Intellectual Property Corporation of Malaysia My Apple website and click Online Service. Then, click IP Online Search and Filling. After that, click Registration and select for Individual. Click link Becoming a Registered User and then select I do not have an activation code. After that, enter required information and then click button Submit. And message from your private profile has been created on click Submit button. After that, enter required information and do not forget to click button Add to enter address information. Then click button Save and click button Submit. Then, message will prompt client successfully create on click Submit button. Once the registration is complete, page will automatically log in the system home page. So, then we can use all the facilities on the My Apple website. Topic 3 is privacy and surveillance. Meaning for surveillance is the ongoing systematic collection, analysis, and interpretation of health data essential to the planning, implementation, and evaluation of public health practice, closely integrated with the timeline dissemination of this data to those who need to know. Among the types of surveillance are electronic surveillance, computer, social media, financial, and biometric surveillance. Examples of surveillance are closed-circuit television, which is CCTV, data gathering apps on smartphones, facial recognition software in smart security camera system, and interception of electronically transmitted information like internet traffic. Next, can you monitor your employee computer activity? Yes. To monitor employee computer activity, use software that records keystrokes and mouse click. Set up a dashboard and install a Chrome extension or monitoring app on employee's desktop. Pyramid and Time Doctor are popular platforms to tracking employee activities, offering features like screen recording, email tracking, and Zoom sessions. Time Doctor offers manual time tracking, blur screenshots, and basic website tracking without invading employer privacy. Does the government spy on its citizens? According monthly Mushroom 2016 highlight the increasing use of government surveillance in homes, office, and public areas using hiding cameras and sensors to monitor and assess citizen and user data, despite their primary purpose of security. Among the ethical issues of surveillance is mass surveillance can create a sense of suspicion and threat, leading to change in behavior and communication. Ethical issues in smart city include data control, ownership, social inclusion, and prejudice. Data violence, the continuous monitoring and collection of user data increases surveillance and security, but can also lead to thief and unwanted events. Steps that can you take to block or prevent from public or government surveillance? First, cover up the webcam, which is cover the camera with electrical tape so hack cannot secretly record video and sound. 2. Update the devices. Should always update the device in order to prevent hacking and other security breaches. 3. Use a VPN. VPN is virtual private network is used to encrypt traffic between devices, website, and service access online. Encrypt your data. Encrypt data in transit and at rest to delay governments from cracking data encryption. Know your provider. Understand your cloud service provider's policy when the government requests data from you. Topic 4 is computer reliability. Reliability in computer system is important because if the system is not trusted, it may not work as it should. Among the reasons reliability is important in the system are maintaining trust, minimizing downtime, cost savings, protecting data, complex and regulation, customer satisfaction, and business continuity. Computers are getting more sophisticated over time, but there are still many issues that users commonly face. Adult computers are becoming more sophisticated. Sometimes we cannot be completely readable to computers. So, among the common computer issues or problems that occur are the computer will not start, screen computer is blank, abnormally functioning operating system or software, computer is slow internet, and overheating. In my opinion, today's mobile phones that are Android or Apple mobile phones are more reliable than Nokia or BlackBerry era mobile phones. This is because Nokia and BlackBerry mobile phones are less used today due to their focus on hardware rather than software. BlackBerry phones were once reliable but have since been replaced by Android and iPhones due to outdated applications. Android and Apple phones are considered more reliable due to strong security and strict application guidelines. The iOS ecosystem also keeps software updates and reducing hacking intrusion. My Sejahtera mobile app has been developed by KPI Soft Malaysia, which is local developed founded by Anwar Roshan and Ravindra Ramamurthy. The draft code of ethics was developed by a task force of the IEE Computer Society and the ACM Steering Committee for the establishment of software engineering as a profession. 4 principles are selected for identifying morally responsible relationships, which are: first principle is public. Software engineers must adhere to professional standards and priorities public safety. For example, like MySejahtera application adhering to established rules. They must ensure the application meets specification, reduce privacy, and does not harm the environment, ensuring user satisfaction and safety. Next, second principle is client and employer. Software engineers must prioritize public health, safety, and welfare, act professionally, and maintain trust with clients and employers. They must avoid illegal or unethical use of their software, maintain its integrity, and only work on authorized client or employer property as demonstrated by the MySejahtera application. Third principle is product. Software engineers must create useful, high-quality products that are community acceptable, timeline, cost-effective, and error-free. MySejahtera application aims to perform self-hurt assessment, monitor hurt status, and share information about our hurt with the government. The last principle is judgment. Software engineers must maintain their independence and reputation by understanding customer documents, ensuring correct programs adhering to societal application objectives, and producing products suitable for users or customers. They must also be harnessed in both manufacturing and financial aspects to maintain ethical standards.